Hello fam, welcome back, and I hope everyone is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian beef live soup or pepper soup recipe with you. You will love this, so all you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's get started. So I'll start by cooking my vegetables. For vegetable of choice, I'll be using carrots, garden eggs, pepper, fresh tomatoes, and I'll also go in with some water to cook this until it's nice and very soft. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. So now let's cover this and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I am back to check on it. The vegetables looked very soft and ready. So I'll set everything aside, allow it to cool down a little bit before I blend it. So while that is going on, let's go ahead and steam protein of choice. I'll be using beef, as I said earlier on, and I'll also go in with some salted beef, which I have the recipe for on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. I'll also go in with my homemade tomato paste, which I have the recipe for as well on the channel, so do check it out. Okay, next I'll go in with some chopped onions, seasoning of choice, and of course some salt to taste. I'll go in with a little bit of water. I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, can you give this video a thumbs up? Also subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been cooking the meat for about 20 to 30 minutes now, and as you can see, it looks super juicy and the meat also looks very soft as well. So it's time for me to go in with my blended vegetables, which I cooked earlier on. Now that we've added our blended vegetables, I also go in with a little bit of water. And also the amount of water that you add to it always depends on how light or thick you want your soup to be. So it totally depends on you, okay? Now I'll go in with some precursor for extra flavor or some added fruit, okay? Give it a very good mix. I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Alright, so while that is going on, if you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, in fact everywhere, because I have amazing recipes to share with you over there as well, okay? Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been cooking the soup for about 20 minutes now, and it's almost done. But I'll allow it to simmer down a little bit for about extra 10 to 15 minutes, and voila, this is what we have. Live soup is very easy to put together, but the taste is so amazing. I enjoyed mine with fufu as always. You can also enjoy yours with any swallow or any meal of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you do subscribe to my channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first persons to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.